Hi, this is Max from DigiMax, and today we will be talking a bit about the advanced Twitter search option on Twitter. While many people still regard Twitter as merely a social media platform for following and being followed, a significant number of people are utilizing its enormous potential as a business marketing platform, especially for lead generation. Twitter continues to show tenacity in terms of user growth and preference, no doubt aided by some of its core features, such as the Twitter Advanced Search feature that we'll be discussing today. According to Search Engine General, in fact, 82% of B2B marketers prefer Twitter. Now, let's move on to what do we expect or who do we expect to find on Twitter. The statistics show that Twitter growth is anything but stagnant, contrary to earlier predictions that it would decline or flatten out. According to Twitter's most recent usage, data shows that the platform grew about 20% compared to the previous quarter, resulting in an additional 14 million users. With an average global audience of 192 million that can be reached with advertisements, no business marketing strategy can afford to ignore Twitter. Now, recent reports suggest that about 53% of Twitter users in the United States alone reported accessing and probably using the social media platform every single day. Now, let's talk about the Twitter search function, particularly its advanced search feature. This has enormous business potential for changing the marketing landscape through lead generation. Twitter's advanced search features now allows you to tailor your search based on variety of criteria. These include dates, Twitter accounts, hashtags, and wordings. In this video, you'll learn what the Twitter advanced search feature is and how to use it to your advantage in digital marketing. There are two search options: the standard search option, which you have probably used, and the other is the advanced search option. If you're using a smartphone, the general search is represented by the magnifying icon at the bottom of your phone screen. Because your search range is limited, you won't be able to learn much from these broad searches. This is where the advanced search feature comes into play. To get into Twitter advanced search, first use the general search feature mentioned already above. Now enter the search terms into your laptop or your mobile. Let's start with Photoshop. All tweets related to Photoshop will pop up. After typing Photoshop into the general search field, three straight dots will appear on the right hand side of the screen. When you point your cursor at these three dots, the word more will appear. Now, unfortunately, advanced search functionality on Twitter is only available when you are logged onto twitter.com. You can also go directly to twitter.com/search-advanced. Now, how to use the advanced search options or the advanced search words field. On Twitter's advanced search, there are 6 fields under the word search category, which is possibly the most commonly used search feature. Now, let's go over each one of these so you know what they mean. All of the phrases. Use this field to search for tweets that contain the word or phrase you type. Use quotation marks to get the best search results. If you're looking for tweets but aren't sure what phrase to search for, you can query some relevant and specific words. Whatever you believe the original tweet or tweets must have contained. This specific phrase. Enter a very specific phrase in this field. So if you wanted to find tweets about Photoshop version CC, you would type Photoshop CC instead of just typing Photoshop. The fact that quotes are automatically added in this field is a nice touch. Any of these phrases. Use this field to look for a group of words that are related. To get more specific results, the search field would insert the word or between each word or phrases that you have typed. None of these phrases. This is the search option to use if you want to search Twitter but exclude specific words or phrases. Using this field will filter out any tweets that contain words or phrases that you do not want to appear in the search result. This is a powerful method for business to filter out search results for the name of other companies in the same industry. These are the hashtags. This is the relevant search option if you want to search for a hashtag, whether it's your brand hashtag or a competitor hashtag. For example, if you work for a popular sneaker company and you want to see what people are tweeting about a particular brand, you could type Adidas to get your results. Language. Use this field to get information about tweets written in one of the more than 50 listed foreign languages. If you're analyzing the foreign marketing industry, you have a brand that operates in multiple countries, this will be very useful. How to use the account field in advanced search. Under account, there are three different fields that can change your search results depending on what you type. Simply enter the username of a person who has the Twitter account or multiple usernames separated by commas. Then select whether you want results sent solely by that account, to that account, or to an account that mentioned that account. The number of retweets, replies, and likes a tweet received indicates its level of engagement. A tweet that receives thousands of retweets is almost certainly an engaging tweet. Just to keep in mind to use proper Twitter handles that begin with @ how to make use of the engagement field when conducting advanced Twitter searches. The number of retweets, replies, and likes a Twitter receives, as I've already told you, is its level of engagement. So in the search field, specify the number of tweets, likes, or replies, or any combination of those three. By doing so, you will undoubtedly weed out the posts that add noise but have no value to your search. Now, how to make use of the date field when conducting advanced Twitter searches. If you remember a tweet but don't remember the exact days that they were tweeted, the date option will have you covered, as long as you remember the time frame in which the tweet was sent. One thing that you have to remember that the first tweet was sent on March 21st, 2006. So if you entered a date earlier than that, the system would default to the date of March 21st, 2006. Now, one more thing, that under the heading dates, you can specify a specific date range to receive only such results from that period. And also don't enter a date earlier than March 21st, 2006 if you want your results to be accurate. So guys, this was it. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you.